Hello YouTube, I am Buxton the Red and I'm here to have a little rant about electrical safety. And I say a little rant because I bought an interesting extension lead from the UK retailer Lidl, who is a discount supermarket, and I'm a bit disappointed with it. It falls prey to a thing that a lot of UK extension leads do, which I'll demonstrate in a moment, but it falls prey to this while specifically advertising itself as being child resistant on the front of the label that was stuck on it, and child resistant on the back of the label as well. The other warnings are good: don't connect them together in a long silly daisy chain, only use it indoor in the dry, blah blah blah, fine. But, and some of you may have figured this one out already, UK sockets have these protective shutters across the live and neutral pins, and the earth pin on the plug is that bit longer, goes in first. The part of the shutter that's on the earth pin that's at the top is ramped, so when you push this in, the red plastic part inside slides down, and the exposed contacts of live and neutral can reach the contacts inside. But a lot of UK extension leads have this problem, and this one is no different. That if you take your extension lead and insert a plug upside down, you can stick the earth pin through the earth socket. It retracts the covers. You'll get a better view in that photo. And then if this were plugged into the mains, you'd have exposed live and neutral, where curious child plus 2 paper clips equals utter catastrophe. And so I can't really single Lidl out for having an extension lead, even an interesting daisy chain one where the 4 sockets are in blobs and separated out. I will call out one good thing: the screws in there are security type, so it would be like a slotted ordinary flathead screwdriver, but you need one with the middle cut out, so you won't. Small children will not carelessly find a screwdriver and open this up and get electrocuted that way. And it's kind of interesting because you've got the 4 sockets spread out. But I would question the accuracy of Lidl marketing this as child resistant when you can very clearly and very easily, because there's lots of space around it, just plug any old plug in upside down and have access to the bare copper where those are live and neutral. That and 2 paper clips would be a disaster. So why they are marketing this item as child resistant when really any UK extension lead could have this same can be plugged in, a plug can go in back to front to open the shutters thing. This is not especially child resistant. As far as I understand it at the moment, the British safety standards for these things don't prohibit this problem from being created. There's no rule or reg that says you must not be vulnerable to this mistake, and I really wish there was. Bye.